Hey everyone, it's Mehdi with Closer Puts. Today the market was very volatile and it's a great day. We ended up closing green at the end of the day. Very excited to go over the recap of what happened today, what to expect tomorrow, what are the plays for the following week, and what to come at the end of the year. We still do have a lot of events coming up in a few weeks. The Congress will be back again. There's the Christmas rally that everyone is very excited about, but we don't know if it's going to happen yet or not. So let's dive into it and find out what's gonna come. Without further ado, let's turn the lights on. Okay, first thing we're gonna go over is the SPY. As you can see here, this was my key levels. The green dots lines right here, that's the highs of the pre-market. End up breaking it around 20 minutes into the market. As you can see, it went up all the way to 455. Then rejected. We had some news over here about the new variant. That's what brought the market down. But I think people are generally, just over with all this virus stuff and everything. We do have to obviously keep in mind that when there's fear, the market will drop. But I think in regards to the new variant, people are not as scared as they were. We've been through a whole lot, so hopefully we can bounce off of that. I would say the past 2 days, the reason why the market was going down was mainly because of Jerome Powell. But I think he can sound hawkish when he wants to sound hawkish, and he can sound dovish when he wants to. But hopefully he can fix his mistakes, and we can get back on track. So as you can see, the SPY did end up rejecting the 455 and coming back down to 452, and then from there, it was how we like SPY to be. It was a green day for us. As you can see, I did get the reversal on the 15-minute, ended up dropping once we got the news about the new another case in the United States. But as you can see, without anything, the volume picked up again. People were buying, and we closed green into the close. It is dropping a little bit, but I see tomorrow as more of a green day. But watch out, if we break under the 454, everything can flip. This market is volatile. We like it. We get to trade as much as we want, and it's a great sign for us. So today, one of the plays that I got into was actually Facebook. I did get some long-term calls. So this was one of my main lines right here, the 307, 308 area. It dropped here a few weeks ago and then recovered all the way to the 455. I did end up grabbing some few calls around this area. Watching for a break over 314 tomorrow. My calls are a few weeks out, so I'm not even worried if it doesn't happen by tomorrow. But I can see it that toward next week and the following 2 weeks, everything should start picking up. Hopefully, no bad news again. As you can see, the reason for my trade, if we go ahead and go to the daily, this was a crucial support line that it bounced off of. As you can see, back in October 28, it did test it. And again, it's tested it again. So I thought it would be a good area for me to grab some calls and see what we can get from Facebook in the future. Obviously, they're changing their ticker to Metaverse, so that should be exciting. Everyone excited about the Metaverse. So without further ado, let's jump into another ticker. Let's see who we got today. I did get the AMC request again. That'll be going over. So AMC did get a bounce today, tested the lows again, but green day. Go ahead, apes. Go ahead. I love it. If we go ahead and zoom out a little bit, zoom into the 15-minute charts. As you can see, opened up very strong, did test my resistance, couldn't break over, so it kind of went back and retested the lows. Again, since it kind of resisted, if I was an ape and I was waiting to buy a call, I would probably wait, see if it held support, and it did. It showed very strong. The volume came in. People were buying. The TTM squeeze was kind of indicating that it was going to go up. As you can see, regarding this reversal, I don't always play regarding the reversals that I get, as long as I know my, resistance support areas. So as you can see, it was a good day. We did end up closing green. Let's go. We're gonna dive into another ticker. We got Amazon was another request from the members. Amazon, not so well. Did not close green. And I would say Amazon, Shopify, those are some of the, the Christmas rally tickers that we should be on the lookout for. I mean, this week was very poor. Is this the buy the dip opportunity for them? And maybe by the end of the month they can recover or sometime make all-time highs. I'm not really sure, but let's see on a bigger picture what we got. So Amazon, it's at a very, very crucial area right now. You see, I'm trying to find the support areas that I have. Amazon tested the all-time high at 3,762. Now it's down all the way to 3,420. I'm gonna be patient with this one. I wouldn't load up yet. I want to see what tomorrow holds. We might see another dip on Amazon and Shopify. But toward next week, maybe mid next week, we can start seeing a bounce. I feel like people love Amazon. So let's see what we got. This is 38.85 area. For me, I would say a great area to buy into Amazon again if it can recess the 3300s. That would be really nice. That would actually be really nice. I would consider buying into some long Amazon calls. Otherwise, at this moment, it's still giving me that bearish feeling right now. Would not go ahead and just jump into it. I'll probably wait till my reversal on the daily comes back. So that doesn't mean I'm gonna get at the lowest, because I'm not trying to anticipate the market. That's how you lose money. I'm just following what the market is telling me and what my signs are telling me. As of right now, Amazon is not doing so well. Back again to the 15-minute candle. Tested the resistance, couldn't break, went all the way down. As you can see, even though the market closed green, Amazon did not close green, and we should have to be careful with that. I don't think it's over yet for Amazon. I think we can still see some more bad days, some more red days for sure. Okay, let's jump into another ticker that we got from the members. I believe Roblox. I actually love Roblox. I traded Roblox so many times. But as you can see, opened up around 11.14, tested the lows of 11.13, but shot up all the way to 11.19. I think Roblox got a really good future. We're still going to see what's going to happen. Tomorrow is a very crucial day. It could be a very risky day. It's Friday. People are scarce still, so we'll see if people are going to be selling by the end of market. If not, if people are loading up and you see the volume coming in, load up for the future. Next week could be a good week. I believe a lot of people saying, is this buy the dip opportunity? Is the market starting to rebound and go up? I honestly believe so. I think just we got shook up by Jerome Powell. But just be careful if there's any bad news. Obviously, inflation is really high, so that's why Shop and Amazon are not doing so well. There was a lot of bad news on inflation today, which made me consider that SPY was going to actually turn red. But as you can see, people, they didn't care. They were coming in. There was a lot of buyers, and that's a great thing. We're going to go ahead and zoom out on Roblox on the daily and see what we got. Yeah, I mean, everything, I do have a reversal on everything just because the market was just bad these few days. There was a lot of fear, but I actually love Roblox. Went up to the high of 141. Excuse me. Let's see. TTM, everything. I honestly, I believe if we get anything in the 90s or low 100s, just buy Roblox. Just buy it. I don't see anything going wrong with this company. I only see it shooting up to the moon. Obviously, that's just my prediction and my belief on Roblox. I just love it personally. But as of right now, we're just waiting for that right moment to till the whole market starts recovering, and then we can see new all-time highs in Roblox. A lot of people have been talking Roblox to 150, Roblox to 200. I honestly can see that happening. Let's zoom out to the 1 hour. So we did get the reversal that it was gonna go down tomorrow after market, but just watch out if it breaks under 1113, then I wouldn't buy right away. Another resistance will be around that 1111 because that's the lows of Wednesday. But otherwise, if it doesn't break or resist, then it's a good time to buy and hold. But mainly, we gotta watch out what the SPYs will be doing tomorrow. As you can see, this is SPY on 1 hour. I did get the reversal in the morning. Like I told you guys, I don't trade or anything just based off my reversals. I wait and see if there's volume coming in, TTM squeeze. Obviously the DMI was telling me it was going to go up. It finally crossed in after hours, but usually just watch out if it breaks under, like I said, the 455 or 454. If it breaks under that, then we're back in danger territory. If it, tested that and it makes a new support there, then we're looking good for the future. Another ticker that I usually trade would be Tesla. Let's see what Tesla had today. Very choppy, very ugly chart for today. After yesterday, just drop. Made new lows. I would say, Tesla, Elon Musk, we love you, Elon Musk, but this has still a lot to go up. I'm a big fan of Tesla. I'll be buying Tesla soon. But as of right now, Tesla not looking great. Just wait tomorrow. It could still be an ugly day. Watch out if it breaks under the 1062. If it breaks under, it comes back and tested that, but it couldn't break over, I would say it will be bearish for the rest of the day. But if it tests this area over here and it kind of holds the support and go, can shoot back up Friday, just be careful, guys. Honestly, no one can tell you what the future will hold. We're just showing you guys where's the support and resistance for all these stocks right now. I'm not trying to anticipate what the market will do. Friday, I just see a lot of people either going to be buying, or if we're going to again see the fear, people don't want to hold over the weekend. So just be careful. Don't, let your feelings aside and don't kind of rush into things. That's one thing you have to do. Obviously keep your stop losses, especially if you're trading dailies. I know a lot of people that do that. It's a great way to make a lot of money, but it's also a great way to lose a lot of money. Speaking from experience, I used to dive for Fridays. Contracts really cheap. You can get 500%, 1,000% sometimes, but you can as well go to zero and lose all the money you played with. So be careful, guys. That's why my new strategy since a few years, the least short-term period to call that I would buy or push would be 2 weeks out. Just gives you that enough time just in case something goes wrong. You're not going to lose a lot of money. Also, if it goes up, you can still make a lot of money. But let's go ahead and see Tesla on the daily. Yeah. Testing some crucial parts right now. Like I said, watch out if it breaks tomorrow under the 1056. Could go ahead and retest the 1022. But I would say in general, let me draw the line. This would be a good buying area. Around, yeah, I would say this red line right here, around this area, just watch out for it, guys. If we get anything, let me zoom in for you guys. I'm just trying to show you guys what a box, trying to make it clear for you guys. Right here around the 999, a lot of people say this is a gap fill that it needs to fill. If anything, I see the lowest Tesla can go will be around 912. Otherwise, could possibly test around here and then rebound. Let me see what it's like in a moving average. Trying to get a bigger picture for you guys. Let's see. Let's see where the 50 for Tesla is. So yeah, like I said, around this area, I think the lowest Tesla can go would be around this area. It would be a great time to buy. Could have tested the 50 and then go back, but honestly, I don't even think Tesla will do all of that and drop down and go. But again, just be careful, guys. If it makes any new lows tomorrow, then just be aware, but just also know that you get into a crucial area will be the buy the dip zone. So just be careful. Don't try to rush into plays. Obviously, I mostly followed and used my indicators. I do have my team kind of helping me when I'm not looking at plays, but I don't think I'll be trading Tesla tomorrow. Maybe later on next week, but for right now, just keeping an eye. I'm either waiting for a bounce or see if we can test this area. I would actually love it because I would load up on it again, but otherwise, I'll wait for a clear bounce. If we zoom into the 15, as you can see today, tested the 1056. Like I said, tomorrow, watch out for breaks under that. If it breaks, then we're gonna go ahead and start making new lows. If it tested this area around here, the 1056, and it could, bounce up, then that's a very, very good sign. Hopefully tomorrow we just open up green. I would say people are scared. Some people, are buying the dip. I think this is the best time to have cash in hand. Be ready and anticipate if anything comes. There's going to be some great opportunities for all these blue chip stocks. So, just be careful. Like I said, SPY, crucial, break under the, it's testing it right now in aftermarket, the 455. I want to see if bounces up. And again, another support will be around here, the 454, the pre-market highs of today. But otherwise, if it doesn't break around this area, let me make it clear for you guys. If it breaks under this area, could be a bearish day tomorrow. Things won't look beautiful coming into the weekends. But hopefully next week, I believe that, things are going to start, bouncing up again. One of my other favorite tickers that I like to look at is NVIDIA. Let's see how NVIDIA did today. NVIDIA looked good. All the graphic cards, tickers I think did well today. TSM, AMD. So, just keep an eye. I don't see, this is not by the dip zone yet for NVIDIA or any of these chips, but because they're holding up well. As you can see, it did test the 21 simple moving average and kind of got a support there and went up. That's very good. I can see coming in by the end of the year, I would say NVIDIA, TSM, AMD will all be making new all-time highs. But again, with this market, we don't know. Just watch out for SPY. Also, watch out for the NASDAQ, the futures as well. So just keep an eye on the news. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below what tickers you guys want me to go deep into. And I'll see you guys back tomorrow. Peace.